been a hot minute. We have completed our move up to Billings, Montana. We probably just posted that video, honestly. Sorry if it wasn't very good, but we're bringing you back some more action. And that action is going to start with more dirt track racing. So we actually, we just went to one of the dirt track races, had a great time. And so now we're actually going to head up to try and buy another car or two. And we'll show you guys what they are. But yeah, right now we're just going to cruise through Montana to go get these cars.
Yep, I'm up here too. Got a place up here, we're doing good. The Mustang stuff is coming. But right now we're getting into a more permanent location, so we don't have everything set up for that yet. But we're still living here, we're still having fun, still doing tunes and everything on the back end. But man, this place, like, we're on this back road, just headed to, I think, Roundup in Lewistown to go check out a couple cars that we're going to turn into new dirt track cars. And it's just beautiful out here, man. And not as hot as Florida. You're not sweating all the time. We're wearing jackets. It's probably 60 degrees right now.
It's 58 degrees. It's May like 19th. We're both wearing pants and hoodies.
Exactly. It's nice. It's really nice. So we'll catch back up with you later. We want to check in somehow. We just didn't have anything interesting happen. We were just sitting in a storage unit, so we didn't have any footage to make for you guys. But now we do. So come along for the ride. Right, we've been just on this road for like 2 hours. And every 20 minutes you look around and it's just a Windows XP background. It's so pretty. Yeah, Windows XP background right there. There you go. Yeah, I don't miss Florida as much as I thought I would.
I don't.
Until it snows. Oh, it's windy, dude. Right now it's so windy.
It's probably like 50 mile an hour wind. Maybe more.
Yeah, it's crazy.
50 mile an hour wind, 80 mile an hour gust.
It's passing. Just mountains over there. Rolling hills. We'll check back in with you, and I'll keep recording when the scenery changes and it gets even more beautiful somehow. And
after every time Cody goes, wow.
Yeah, I'll turn the phone on and record another 30 seconds. Throw it some music. Made it! You're probably good. You can go further up. Yep, there it is. 2 feet. All right.
Oh, there you go. That's how you get a focus on a trailer when you just jump. Right.
Hocus Pocus, you just bought a Focus.
Bleeding.
Oh, wow. All right. Well, I don't know if you heard anything because the wind was trying to blow us over, but we got a car.
Yeah, we'll fix the strap here in a minute.
Oh, yeah?
Well, yeah, one of them popped off.
Oh, damn.
Hit that bump.
Okay.
One of the back ones. Yeah, we got a car. It leaks transmission fluid.
big time.
Big time.
It probably didn't have any in it when we put it on the
Not
trailer,
much.
which is just great for it.
I got it to lock up so I could get it on though.
Yeah, I heard it, and then it just
It
went.
grabbed it, I was like, whoop, there we go. Okay, she's on.
Oh man.
She made
So
it. Not that bad, but that's a ZETEC.
that's a ZETEC.
Motor sounded good.
From what we were looking up, like we wanted to do Ford, obviously. We didn't want to be another Cavalier, which there's a lot of in this class, and we're Ford guys anyways, so made sense.
Yeah, this is a 2002 Ford Focus ZX3. So it's got the ZETEC,
The 2-liter
2-liter
ZETEC,
motor.
which you would think ZETEC, okay, like VTEC, so it's variable cam timing, which is illegal in this class, but it's not unless you have the SVT version. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not VTEC.
But
it doesn't have
everything I looked up, I triple checked. Everybody says the ZETEC non SVT
This one,
is
the ZX3 is fine.
the ZX3 is fine. So
It's pretty much
that's what we found, and we were looking around. We're like, well, this one's $250. He's like, oh yeah, the transmission. My dealership screwed me over or something. The airbox wasn't on it. They were charging me to give them back to them, and they were like, well, we'll pick it up for whatever you want.
Yeah,
All of
so
it.
250 bucks.
Yeah, $250. Put it on the trailer.
Pretty sure the motor's worth 500 at least, maybe more.
Yeah, and
So
yeah,
now we got an hour and 42-minute drive to the next Focus.
yeah, we're gonna buy another one.
This one
Today's-
Cody has to drive home.
Today's so strange. Yeah, I do. Stick too, but that's fine.
Yeah, today's straight for buying 2 Ford Focuses.
Yeah. All right, catch you next time. That is monstrous.
Damn, bro. Don't kill me.
Oh my god. Oh, it's long.
Holy crap. Oh, the Thunderbird turbo supply.
Oh, I missed that.
That's the one I sold.
Man, it's pretty out here. I think it was blurry for the first 10 seconds. Again, man, just wow. Hocus Pocus, we bought another Focus.
Number 2 for the day.
Number 2 for the day. We're done now, right?
No more Focuses.
No more.
I'm done buying Focuses today.
But so, to our surprise, it's another ZETEC, which means technically could have 2 race cars.
Yeah, look.
You gonna pop the hood again?
Just the roll up window.
You gotta push it to the right. It's the little one on the bottom. ZETEC!
Score.
Right?
Score.
So it does need a MAF. The last one didn't have that. That's why.
That's why it doesn't want to run. It doesn't
Yeah.
have a mask on it.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Cool. The gas station, see if we get a little air in the tire.
Yeah, so yeah, it had to be push started, so.
Put some gas in it, then we'll push start it again, and we'll go.
Okay. Alright. Test drive.
Test drive.
Better hold on. Oh man.
I mean, you just drove it for an hour.
Yeah, we drove it an hour home. We had to push start it, but
Right, like, we're usually in second. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I don't know, we're going around a turn. I can see it.
yeah.
This is about 40 miles an hour. Let's see how it takes this turn.
Right, and to the according to the guy we talked to, he revs them all the way to 73 with a header and everything else on it and a tune that allows him to do that.
Not bad.
I mean,
About 45.
yeah, it's like a straight right-hander, so
Without a bank, yeah, it was a 90.
yeah.
Unbanked. Now you need to return. It's right the other way. That was a right. Gotta go left.
Oh yeah, we take left turns here. Please don't stall it. It's got a really heavy flywheel. This is probably the hardest this car's ever been driven. It was owned by one person. Woo!
It came out at 50.
Yeah. All right. We might have to use third though. I don't know how fast we're gonna have to talk to the local guys.
That's all the faster they're going. They're not going any faster than that. I'm just guaranteeing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
That's on no bank.
Yeah.
Flat asphalt. So.
Yeah, it'll be banked dirt, but they seem to be going just as fast.
Yeah, it pulls out pretty good.
It's got a little bit of torque down it.
It's
Down
not
low.
bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad. That'll do.
It'll do. Mess with it a little bit.
Yeah, that'll do.
Shit. All right. So, an eventful day where we bought 2 Focuses for how much?
$500 plus $245, $745 is what we spent today.
$745, and I put a full gas tank in it. That was another $40. Gas tank in the truck was what?
About $200 in gas in the truck.
Okay. Okay, so about like what, $1,000 bucks? Does that make it 1,000?
Yeah.
$1,000 in 2 cars.
$1,000. We got 2 cars. Gotta get the other one off. Let's go look at the other one.
Yeah, let's go look at the other one. All right, so now we can get a good walk around of the car now that the wind isn't
100-mile-an-hour wind.
right. So another ZETEC car, auto. The owner said,
This one's rough.
yeah, this one's rough. This one doesn't deserve anything more than being a race car. Owner said the transmission wasn't going out of second. It would go 1, 2, and then stop in second, which apparently that's all you need anyways. I'll have to ask the local guys, but nobody else, none of our guys at our track are even running forwards.
It's just
So,
leaking. That's all it is.
so yeah, it'll probably shift into third once that's
It
done.
has no fluid.
Yeah, dude, it was just dripping, and look how far the water or the fluid went just
Because of
from
the
the
wind.
wind. Yeah.
Yeah, the wind was a little crazy.
It was. I want to know what the audio sounds like. It's probably terrible. All right, guys. Well, say it one more time. Hocus pocus. We bought 2 Focus.
2 Focus.
2 Focus.
So, I think we came up with a plan now.
Yeah.
The black one is clean. It's pretty clean. It needs like a starter wire basically, which is easy. We just run another big wire to the starter because it just doesn't have enough juice because it's corroded. And then we'll sell it. And we'll use that money to finance the ZX3.
I think it's a good idea. We bought 2 cars. We're going to flip one to fund the other one. And then
It'll be like having a free race car build.
free race car. Free race car. Just a little bit of work.
And ignore the red Mustang.
Ignore it. Yeah, that one. It's insignificant. Don't.
Don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Nobody who owned it before matters. It doesn't matter.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
That's going to be it for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.